it is not just about Tailwind. It is also about Firefox and 1,000 other free and open source softwares. Every one of us using free and open source software and tools without realizing. FFMPEG, SSH, openBSD, Minix, SQLITE are some of the examples. Even big companies cannot live without it. Let's first focus on the Tailwind drama. Better, it is not a drama but a disaster. If you don't know Tailwind, it is a CSS implementation. Before that, we had to use Bootstrap. The Bootstrap CSS implementation was from a big tech company, so we did not have to worry about Bootstrap because they had a long financial backup. But in this case, it is a free and open source software or tools, whatever you want to call them. Those are backed by a single man, this one. And if I dig into this matter, it was about integrating llm.txt. So he has to drop 75% of the people in their engineering team. Why? That's because they have a great revenue loss. It is around 80%. So if they lose 80% of their revenue, as a leader, he has to do something. If I take a look into this post, this Twitter post of Adam Wall, I can see he has only 6 months to go. So he has to drop some of their employees. It is a good example like how AI is gaining momentum in a good and bad ways. Like AI is helping thousands of people, but at the same time, AI is hurting so many businesses very hard. But there are some example of good peoples like this person, Theo. He has donated. I have seen his video regarding the same topic and I have found he has donated. Like if you see over here, he has donated as a single contributor. So kudos to him. And what about other softwares? Like if we think as a free software and free society in terms of education, knowledge and experience, so those things must be free. Healthcare, education. So software is the backbone of each and every education system, especially the operating system and the browser. I am a Firefox user like from the beginning. Even Firefox was called something else. But you see some red flags. Yes, GitHub sometimes does it correctly. It has red flagged this line. The best privacy tool. See, the Firefox has dropped the best privacy from their code base itself. And if you dig deep, they have removed this paragraph. What does this say? Firefox is independent and part of the non-profit Mozilla, which fights for your online rights, keep corporate powers in check, and makes the internet accessible to everyone, everywhere. We believe the internet is for the people, not profit. Unlike other companies, we don't sell access to your data. We are in control over who sees your search and browsing history. All that exceptional performance too. So that gets deleted. And what is the new? I don't want to go to the new things as it will not be interested, I assume. What about WhatsApp? If you are old enough, you could remember WhatsApp homepage always shows like how evil was the Yahoo in back then and how WhatsApp want to change. Back then, WhatsApp used to charge users very few amount of money in exchange of digital freedom. But nowadays, WhatsApp is free, but it charges in terms of your personal data and digital freedom. So you are losing your digital freedom and whatever comes along with that. I'm very sad like WhatsApp gone this direction, especially under Facebook's ownership. I have searched some of the new articles. I was trying like Mozilla would come up with a apology and they would revert back, but it did not happen. Still those going on. There are some mention in Y Combinator news, but nothing good I can see. Similarly, my project, this is like GoPOS. I'm not sure how I will be able to continue this project. And top of most, how I will be able to make this project free and open source as clean as possible. Like right now, I had to include various binary blobs, various binary drivers, including Firefox or Google Chrome, and hope one day Ladybird browser will be self-sufficient and polished enough for the common and general people to make use of it. Till that time, I had to package all those binary blobs into my operating system. This is GoPOS, and I'm hoping and looking forward to make some money and continue this operating system for the mass people, for the general people to be able to utilize their hardware to the fullest. Nowadays, there are operating system like Windows, Linux. Yes, they are doing well, but why Linux as a desktop operating system is not popular among the general people? Like you see, Linux comes with great freedom. It is economically free. Still, school, college, and general people, even the enterprise, use Windows. I am hoping for a future where only free softwares, that means you will have the full freedom as a user, will have the full freedom, not the owner or the company. Like if you say GoPOS will not have any say what you do on that operating system. Gopi operating system will not collect any data, even the performance matrix. Sending performance matrix is only limited for the developers only. General users, what they do is none of GoPOS's business. GoPOS will create a good product that will be usable for the mass people.